Alright, so for my numerical calculations video reassessment, I actually chose to do my program in GlowScript this time. My first original program that I turned in for my numerical calculations standard was done in VPython, and it was basically just the E field of a proton on another proton, which was kind of lame. So for my video reassessment, my numerical calculations video reassessment, I done a program in GlowScript, and basically it was just something I saw on your blog that was kind of cool. I think it was titled "I Dare You to Change This Program," and it was just talking about the mass on the spring. So basically I just kind of followed those guidelines. First, just check it out. Alright, so basically we had just a mass on the spring. Let me go straight to the code first. Alright, so basically, yeah, I kind of added more notes from the original code that you wrote up on your blog, just so I could kind of understand better. So, and there's still a few things that I have to play with to understand even better, but so far I get the big picture, and I actually learned a lot and noticed a lot of cool things by retyping it. Like basically for the spring, we just use a helix. I also changed the original color from your original program from red to blue, just to kind of make sure I knew what I was doing. And yeah, basically this is just the code. We start off with the natural length of the spring constant, the holder, which is cool, which is basically just what the spring is attached to, the ball, which one thing that kind of threw me off here was the position of the ball. That's something I could just play with and figure out better. Like I said, the spring, which is just a helix, and then also the axis, that kind of threw me off a little bit, but I'm pretty sure I could understand that better if I just play with it. Basically, the displacement of the spring, the momentum of the ball, the mass of the ball, just everything. Everything I thought was pretty cool. Understood everything pretty much. And then also, so let's just run the program, make sure that it runs properly. Yeah, basically, you have your holder here, have your spring, have your ball attached to the end of the spring. One thing that I didn't understand was why I don't have a trail, why my program doesn't have a trail. I clearly put right here, just as you did, I put make trail equal true. So I feel like there should be a trail, but there isn't one. So that's one thing I have to play with, find out more about. And also, so on your blog, I noticed you put a few things to kind of like, basically just get a visual representation of what happens if you're trying to change the program around. So one thing that I thought was cool, you said change the mass of the ball. So I'm going to change the mass of the ball from 0.1 to 0.2, which is basically just 200 grams, 0.2 kilograms. And I noticed, yeah, it changes it a lot. So the amplitude is a lot higher. And also it seems as if it's oscillating faster just due to that slight change in mass. So that's one thing to see. And also I wonder, like, if I make the spring stiffer. So the spring constant right now is 15. Let's say if I make that 25, see how that changes it with the changed mass. See, basically now we kind of get back to our somewhat similar to our original oscillation and amplitude. So that's kind of cool, and it's just a lot of other cool things that I'm just going to continue to play with, continue to work with. I'm going to try to add my own little twist to it, just to try to, just make it better, just continue to get better at programming in GlowScript. And yeah, all right, that's it.